Upgrading your windows can make a huge difference in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones for a renovation project, the day of installation is a significant step in transforming your home. However, in order to ensure a smooth and efficient process, it's important to properly prepare your home for the window installation team. Here's a guide to help you get ready for installation day in Austin, ensuring that everything goes smoothly and your new windows are installed without a hitch. Clear the area around the windows. The first step in preparing for window installation is to clear the area around each window that will be replaced. Installation crews need access to both the inside and outside of your windows, so moving any furniture, decor, or items that may obstruct their work is crucial. Here are a few things to consider. Move furniture. Remove any furniture or items that are near the windows, both inside and outside. If your windows are in a living room or bedroom, move couches, chairs, or other bulky pieces of furniture a few feet away from the walls to create a clear working space. Clear the sills and ledges. Make sure any window sills or ledges are free from decorations, plants, or other items. This will not only make the space easier to work in but will also prevent accidental damage to your belongings during the installation process. Access to exterior windows. If your windows are on the second floor or have exterior features like shutters or screens, make sure the installation crew has clear access to the outside of your home. Trim any bushes or plants that may obstruct their ability to work. Protect your flooring and belongings. Even though professional window installers are careful with your property, it's a good idea to take extra steps to protect your floors and any valuables. Here's how to safeguard your home. Cover floors and carpets. Lay down protective coverings such as drop cloths or plastic sheets over your floors, especially if you have carpet or hardwood floors near the installation areas. This will help prevent dust, dirt, or debris from getting tracked into the rest of your home. Move delicate items. If you have valuable or fragile items nearby, such as vases, artwork, or collectibles, move them to a different room or a safe spot. The installation process may create vibrations or slight disturbances, which could cause items to fall or get damaged. Secure pets and children. During window installation, there will likely be some noise and activity that could startle pets or young children. It's best to secure pets in a separate room or outside the house if possible, and keep children in a safe area away from the installation crew. If you're home during the installation, ensure that pets and children are kept away from the work zones to avoid accidents. Ensure access to the property. The installation team will need access to both the interior and exterior of your home, so make sure the installation crew can get to the windows without any obstacles. Here are some things to check. Access points. If the windows are on the second floor or require ladders for access, make sure the outside of your home is clear of any obstructions like vehicles or large outdoor furniture. Also, ensure there's a safe and clear path for the workers to get to your home's exterior. Parking. Ensure that there is adequate space for the installer's vehicle or vehicles to park. If they need to unload tools and materials, a convenient parking spot close to your home will make the process quicker and easier. Prepare for noise and dust. Window installation can be a noisy and dusty process, especially when old windows are being removed. It's important to prepare for the potential noise and dust that may occur during the project. Here are some tips. Close off other rooms. If you're installing windows in multiple rooms, close the doors to other rooms to contain dust and noise to the area being worked on. You can also use towels or rags to block any gaps at the bottom of doors to help minimize dust from spreading. Inform your family or housemates. Let everyone in the household know that installation is happening, so they're prepared for the noise and activity. You may want to plan activities outside the home or in other rooms while the work is being done. Review your contract and window option before the installation team arrives. Take a few minutes to review your window options, contract details, and any instructions provided by the window company. Ensure you are clear on the type of windows being installed. Make sure you understand the type, style, and material of the windows being installed, e.g., double hung, casement, vinyl, fiberglass. The timeline. Confirm the expected start and finish times for the installation. While professional window installation is typically completed in a day or two, it's helpful to know what to expect. Warranty information. Understand any warranty details related to your new windows, such as coverage for defects, installation, and maintenance. This information will be important if any issues arise after the installation. Have a plan for disposal of old windows. Most window installation companies will handle the disposal of your old windows, but it's a good idea to confirm this with the contractor beforehand. If you plan on keeping the old windows or are handling disposal yourself, make sure there is a designated area to store them. Final thought. Properly preparing your home for window installation in Austin ensures a smoother, more efficient process and better results. By clearing the area, protecting your belongings, providing easy access, and being prepared for the noise and dust, you can help ensure the installation team works efficiently and that your home is secure throughout the process. Proper preparation also helps you fully enjoy the benefits of your new windows, from improved energy efficiency and security to enhanced curb appeal. With the right planning, window installation day can be stress-free and rewarding, bringing lasting improvements to your Austin home.